Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Danielle. Welcome. And today's video is the highly requested, anticipated what's in my iPhone 11. I'm going to show you guys how I keep my phone organized and what are my favorite apps to use. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because I see you guys are growing in numbers and I love you guys so much. And as well, don't forget to follow me on social media. Prepster Alexis is my Instagram. I love doing polls and I also take requests on there and I love chit-chatting with y'all, so don't be scared to follow me on my socials. So enough of me rambling on. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, cutie, so I do have the iPhone 11. I did not see a reason to have the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the third camera. I do have a nice Canon camera, a nice Rebel Canon camera, and I also have a vlog camera as well, so I just didn't see the reason to pay extra just to have an extra camera when I just have cameras laying around in my house. So with that being said, I do have a super cute, sparkly phone case, and my iPhone is actually the lilac color, so I just love it because it's super girly and fun. And then as well, I do have my monogram sticker on here, and it is from, I can't remember the boutique, but I will leave it down below. I love this. This is the reason why I was holding off, because I wanted to put a monogram sticker on my phone. It felt like me. I like the colors, but it just added the finishing touches with the monogram sticker. So totally check out the Etsy shop below. I will link her Etsy shop in the description. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and get into what I actually have inside my phone. Okay, cutie, so I will actually put the screen of my phone on this side of me. Okay guys, so just a disclaimer, I did not organize my phone before I did this. This is honestly how I keep my phone. I like to keep things, I'm really organized and I just like things to have their own little bubble and their own little compartment. It just makes my life a lot easier. So we're gonna go through row through row through row. So the first row is just the shortcuts. I never use this. First one is school. I named it school and I just have my grades, my student, my Outlook, my Google Docs, and Socratic. Haven't used those. And then I have my lifestyle where I have my CVS. I get my birth control from CVS. Then I just have Google Home, Health, Fast Prints, and Find My, where you can find your iPhone or find your AirPods. Then moving on to planning, I have my files, calculator, clock, my calendar, and reminders. I don't actually use the reminders on this one. I actually just use my notes in a different bubble. Then we move on to Google. I have Google Chrome, Google Photos, and then my Drive. We can check my Drive and see what I have in here. I actually use my Drive quite often. I have like the road to 1,000 subscribers. I do all of my YouTube stuff in my Drive. So then moving on to mail, I just have my Gmail, my regular mail, and my notes. We'll just go ahead and we're nosy in my notes. I have YouTube. Yeah. It says video ideas, 3 easy spring outfits, spring essentials, Lily sale. And then going on to the rest, it just has birthday list, church, counseling, fashion list, shopping, and whatever, however I chose to spell that. So yeah, I tend to be a little scatterbrained and I love jotting things down. So then moving on to my favorite, and it is my socials. So on here I have my camera, my Instagram, photos, Visco, Pinterest, and Snapchat. I don't use my Snapchat too often, but I do like to keep up with streaks. So yeah, let's see. I need to Snapchat someone. So ooh, I kind of like this filter. What do you guys think? But this is my go-to. Like, I am infamous for using this filter. Okay, and then I just sent my snap to my friend Joe. And then moving on to that, we will go to my maps. And on here I have my Life 360. This is where my mom and me, we can see where we're at. I have my Google Maps, my compass, and then regular maps. I hate using regular maps. I think that's what the iPhone comes with. I just prefer Google. I know some people like Waze, but I can't stand Waze because it just takes you through little streets, and I'm just not about it. I'd rather just get on the highway and go. Okay, so then we have food and drinks. I feel like this is gonna tell you a lot about me because these are my go-to restaurants. We have Starbucks. I love the Starbucks app, and I always get Starbucks gift cards, which I never carry with me because I have the app. And just to give you guys a little insight of how much coffee I drink, let's go to cards. I am a Starbucks reward member in the gold card. Judge me. And I just have a bunch of other gift cards that people have given me that I just transferred all the balance into my gold gift card. So then we have Chipotle. I have so many points on Chipotle because where I work across the street from Chipotle, so I would go there often. Whataburger, because I love Whataburger. It's amazing. I love the number 13, and I would like no gravy on that. Then Tiff Treats. Tiff Treats has such good cookies. Like, I'm addicted, especially their peanut butter ones. Then I have Pie 5. They always have a good special on like a Tuesday, I think. So check them out if you have one near you. So then, moving on to, we are on the third row, second one. I have my shopping apps. So we have Shein. I haven't shopped there in a while. I might do a Shein haul if you guys would want that. I have my Belk app. I've been using that quite often. And Etsy. Like to know it because I like to be nosy and see what my favorite bloggers are actually wearing. And then 21 Buttons, Poshmark, ThredUp, H&M, Gymshark, and Target. Target is my favorite one. Moving on to photos and videos, I have my YouTube. The weather app is strangely in my YouTube and photos folder. I don't understand, but it's fine. And then Live Social Blade, YouTube Studio, and if you're a YouTube creator, I really do suggest you have the YouTube Studio. And then just preview so I can, plan my Instagram content accordingly, see how I want things to be laid out. Then we go into the folder of money, and there I just have my Afterpay and my Chase Bank app. Then going down to the fourth row, we have music. We have my Spotify. We can go into that and look at it. Currently, I just finished listening to, well, I'm not done, but I was listening to Danielle and Brooke, Gals on the Go, and I have 14 minutes left, so I'll probably listen to that as I'm picking up after I finish this video. So yeah, that's a go-to podcast, and I like the Baby's new album. It's great. I've been listening to a lot of country. I feel like I go through phases with country, but it's fine. Okay. And if you guys want to follow me on Spotify, I will link it down below as well. Then I have my podcast. I don't listen to podcasts there. I just downloaded it. And I have PicMonkey in my music folder. Not surprised. And I have SoundCloud. Let's see what I last listened to in SoundCloud. I don't know this song. I just feel like I kind of stopped listening to SoundCloud. You just let things play and it's kind of just in the background. But I do remember the last song that I was actually paying attention to was The Weeknd, The King of the Fall. Love that. Okay. So then moving on, after my music, I have my Jesus Time, and I just have my Holy Bible app. So it's basically the online, the Bible app. That's pretty much what it is. Then I have my church app, which is The Avenue, and then I have TC, which is Transformation Church, which I love them. I love Pastor Todd. I watch him a lot on YouTube. And then moving on to entertainment, I just have my Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus. Little fun fact about me, I've never really sat down and watched classic Disney movies. Like, yes, I know the princess ones, but like Pete the Dragon and Something a Dozen, I'll link it here. But yeah, love Disney Plus, it's great. Then my home apps, just because security in my apartment. So yeah, and then going down, I have a folder in it for J. Crew, and it's not the J. Crew app, it's J. Crew because I work for J. Crew. If some of y'all didn't know, I do work for J. Crew, and I love J. Crew. Then I have my Twitter that's not in my folder, and then I have a random folder that just says folder where I have my Flow app and my Doctor app. And then I have my relaxed melodies, which I use for therapy because I go to counseling. Then scrolling over to the screen, I have these are apps that I don't use. I really don't. That's why they're on this side. So I have a cooking game. I don't play video games often, but when I do, it's the cooking craze, and I'm so good at it. Then we have finances. I sometimes look at it, sometimes look at the stocks. I just find it interesting. Another little fun fact, I like economics and like investing and looking at stocks and looking at where the economy is at. First thing I do in the morning besides looking at my Instagram is looking at the news and knowing how the economy is going, especially with this pandemic. And then I have my Apple stuff that I never touch unless I'm trying to download an app. And then my fitness, where I have OVO Trail Shop, that's Outdoor Voices, and then Soul Cycle, and just a random other one that I don't use. And then I have entertainment, which it basically has my influencer Teza and Young United Young. So yeah, we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!